and welcome to my video on an animal hit I suffered the other evening on the way home. As you can see, it was dry conditions, very dark, tree-lined road on either side, very dark though, not lit up by street lights, and I was driving along, and all of a sudden, in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, you'll see this. And that happened so fast, I had time to grip the wheel, but I did not have time to do much else. Let's look at it in slow motion. And as you could see, there goes the possum under my car. It caused some damage, broke the front bottom fascia. I'm still assessing some damage. It sounds like I have a fan issue now. So there's your UFO animal hit. Hit subscribe, will you?